why I still kill and die. The reason why people work at jobs they don't like. The reason why them dope boys hustle all night. The reason why family members get in the fight. Cause there ain't no rules if the money ain't right. I done seen family members take other family members' life behind things that cost money. To me it just ain't right. Got me all fucked up in the head, but I'ma still get money. Still gotta stay fed. Got a 6-year-old son, DJ's on his feet, and I gotta watch my back while I'm out here in these streets. For the love of money, people they'll steal from their mother, they'll rob their own brother. For the love of money, people don't care who they hurt, shit they hurt and kill each other. Hey, money is the root of all evil. Once you start getting money, better start watching people. I'm telling you, money is the root of all evil. Make them haters wanna hate and make them wanna try to be you, be you. Money is the root of all evil. Once you start getting money, better start watching people. I'm telling you, money is the root of all evil. Make them haters wanna hate and make them wanna try to be you, be you. Money looking kinda funny, ain't nobody fucking with you. Talking shit about you like you just a nothing ass nigga. They don't wanna kick it with you, won't even fire you up. Then when you return the same behavior, they be mad as fuck. Don't get mad, cause karma is a bitch. What goes around comes around, the world is round, it's real shit. When I was on my ass, nobody would give me shit. Then I bounced back big and hands came out quick. It's funny how people change behind change. And lack of make good people do bad things. A lot of it'll get you bad bras, what you think. They all go digging bitches trying to break the bank. Bank rolls make people go blind. So a chick I can trust, I can't find. When I get rich, a lot of people getting left behind. Cause of how they treated me when I was on the grind. Money is the root of all evil. Once you start getting money, better start watching people. I'm telling you, money is the root of all